Knee pain is one of the most common complaints. But what if painkillers and creams are only hiding the real problem? A crack when you stand or a sharp twinge after stairs could be a warning sign. And the surprising part? There's a simple, natural solution most people don't even know about. A simple yet powerful remedy many don't know about is gelatin, which is actually a form of collagen. Collagen and gelatin are rich in amino acids like glycine and proline, which help repair joint tissue and also have anti-inflammatory effects. Research shows that gelatin and hydrolyzed collagen can reduce pain and stiffness, especially in conditions like osteoarthritis. For example, in a study with 80 participants, just 2 grams of gelatin per day improved pain and physical activity. Another study with 94 athletes over 24 weeks found that 10 grams of collagen daily significantly improved joint pain, mobility, and inflammation. Even small daily doses like 1 tablespoon in warm water, tea, or oat milk provide your body with the building blocks it needs to repair joint tissue. Adding turmeric or honey can boost its anti-inflammatory effect. Over time, collagen is absorbed, lubricates joints, reduces friction, and supports repair. Combining it with vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production, or light exercises like cycling, swimming, or yoga, can further improve flexibility and reduce pain. Gelatin and collagen supplements are generally safe for most adults and can benefit anyone, regardless of age or joint condition. However, consuming more than 15 grams per day may cause minor side effects like throat irritation or mouth sores, and vegetarians or vegans may need alternatives. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement.